The name of this book is Coral Snakes by Ted O'Hare. Coral snakes. Coral snakes. Coral snakes are members of the Elapidae family. Like all snakes, they are reptiles. There are more than 70 species of coral snakes, and they all contain venom. Coral snakes can be identified by their red, yellow, and black bands. The eastern coral snake has its red and yellow colors side by side. The eastern coral snake of the United States is just one kind of coral snake found in North, Central, and South America. This is an eastern coral snake. It has its red and yellow bands side by side. See? So every time you see a red band, you're going to see a yellow band right next to it. See? The eastern coral snake. He has a very small head. Where they live. Coral snakes live in North, Central, and South America. They don't live anywhere else in the world. Only the Texas, Sonoran, and eastern coral snakes are found in the United States. The Sonoran coral snake likes a warm, dry climate. The eastern coral snake often lies under dead vegetation near water. South American coral snakes like to live under the barks of trees. The Sonoran coral snake lives in Arizona, Mexico, and the southwest corner of New Mexico. And this is a Sonoran coral snake. Still has yellow, red, and black as its main colors. What they look like. All coral snakes have slim bodies with blunt heads and tiny eyes. The adults are about 2 feet long. Coral snakes have smooth, glossy scales. The bodies are patterned with bands of 2 or 3 colors. Most species of coral snakes have some black on their heads. See? There's his head, and it's black. And his scales are smooth and glossy. He still has those 3 colors, though, that they're talking about. He's got yellow, black, and red. Did you know some South American coral snakes are more than 5 feet long? That's almost as long as Mimi. That's a big snake. Their senses. The coral snakes rely on its sense of smell to find prey. Prey are small animals that they hunt down and kill and eat. The coral snake flicks its tongue and brings in particles. The Jacobson's organ in the snake's mouth analyzes the nearby particles. The coral snake cannot see well, but it can detect nearby movement. The snake also feels ground vibration. This helps the snake identify enemies, and it's able to escape. See? Small head and a very blunt nose. And those colors, black, yellow, and red. The head and mouth. The coral snake's small head has a blunt nose. Short fangs are at the front of the upper jaw. The snake has venom glands located behind each eye. Muscles around these glands pump venom from the gland to the snake's victim. Coral snakes and their cousins do not have hollow fangs as other venomous snakes of North America do. Huh. That is a coral snake. See? That's his nostril And these are his fangs. Round hole is his windpipe. And you can see his tongue. See? The venom paralyzes the prey. Paralyzes means that the prey can't move anymore. The coral snake stretches its jaws like a rubber band. It then swallows the victim whole. It's not very polite. While the snake swallows its prey, its windpipe increases in size so the snake can keep breathing. A coral snake's bite kills another snake. Here's a picture of a coral snake. You see his colors. He's bitten and killed another snake, and now he's going to eat him. They even eat other snakes. Baby coral snakes. In the summer, the mother coral snake lays 6 to 12 eggs. She lays them in vegetation that will give warmth and humidity so the eggs can grow. After about 2 months, the eggs hatch brightly colored babies. As soon as they're born, the babies can kill prey and defend themselves. This is a baby coral snake crawling from its eggshell in Costa Rica. See, there's the eggshell. And he's crawling out. Did you know? Baby coral snakes are about 2 inches long and they weigh less than half an ounce. That's tiny. Did you know? Birds and many small animals eat the coral snake. Coral snakes hunt prey during the daytime. Lizards and other snakes are the prey of coral snakes. Most coral snakes will even eat their look-alike, the scarlet king snake. This is a scarlet king snake. Kinda looks like the coral snake, doesn't he? But what did it say about coral snakes? On either side of the red band, you're going to see yellow. And this is not a coral snake. See, he has black on either side of that red band. This is king snake. Scientists think that many predators recognize the coral snake's bright colors and stay away. The red-shouldered hawk is a predator of coral snakes in the southeastern United States. That means that the red-shouldered hawk will hunt down and eat a coral snake if he can catch him. That's a red-shouldered hawk right here. Their defense. Most coral snakes hide as a defense. The snakes move swiftly across the dead vegetation of the forest floor. This makes them difficult to see. Coral snakes spend much of their lives hidden in forest leaves and litter. Did you know? When threatened, the coral snake hides its head under its tail. This confuses the enemy and the snake may be able to escape. Coral snakes and people. The coral snake has toxic venom. In other words, it's poisonous to people. People in the southeastern United States fear this creature, but because the snake is so small, the venom does not usually cause death to humans. The coral snake is shy and is therefore not likely to bite. But if you ever see a coral snake, just admire him from a distance. Coral snakes. Hope you learned something.